Hello everyone! So for today's video, I will be creating a tutorial video about one of the educational tools that is very helpful for teachers and students in online classes, and it can also help those who are working in offices distantly. So for further information, let me start by searching the app Creately. Creately is a collaboration tool with diagramming and design capabilities designed by Synergics. So it has two versions, the online edition and the offline edition. But in this case, we'll be using the online edition. Of course, you have to create your own account in order to create your own workspace. So when you already have your account, we'll start by clicking the Create Workspace. As you click the Create Workspace, it will lead you to the dashboard. So this dashboard contains the folder, the template, the shapes, the add image, and the Google search. So as we click the folder, it consists of the documents that you're currently doing and the documents that you've done already. Moving on to the template, it consists of the popular tools, brainstorm ideas, improve plans and strategies, visualize projects and tasks, design software and systems, visualize IT infrastructure, organize people and processes, run meetings and workshops, document research, grow sales productivity, and the last one is the tool for educators. The next is the shapes. So we have here the simple shapes, the flow chart, the block shapes, and we can also browse for more shapes. The next one is the add image. So we can import image from our folder. The last one is the Google search. We may search for an icon or image on Google search without adding a new tab. However, in my case, I've already reached my limit since this is only a basic version. So if you have enough money and you can afford the upgrade, you may use it for unlimited use. But for beginners, you may still search on the Google search. So we'll go back to the folder. So I've already created 3 documents. So the first one I created is through the use of organizational chart. Here I've made the branches of the Philippine government. So we may export it as PNG, as VG, JPEG, or as PDF. So we'll go back again. So there is also provided templates. Here, it is very helpful for teachers, especially if they have so much to do. They may just use this as templates as references. So here, I only changed the name of the person and changed it into Dr. Hazarizal. Or for visual learners, I may add or choose an image. So we'll just click the click image, import image from our browser, and then upload the file. This is the picture of our national hero, Dr. Hazarizal. So I'll just have to resize the picture. As you can see, this template is already provided by the Creately. This is very much helpful to as we teachers in social science assess our students on their learnings. So we may choose to export this as PNG, SVG, JPEG, or PDF and send it to our students. In addition feature, you may also share the link. It may be public or anyone with the link can edit or can view, or specific users only. So for that, you have to upgrade your plan. So You may share this link if you are assessing a real-time assessment, especially when having an online class.